Do you want to assign some fancy characters to keyboard keys for characters that you seldom use? In this quick tip, I show you how easy this can be to do in Word. I have a friend who runs a law firm, and in the documents that they create, they use the Pilcrow character and the section mark quite a bit. The Pilcrow looks like a backwards P, and the section mark looks like a fancy S. The problem for my friend is that these characters aren't available on the keyboard, so it takes several steps to add them to a document. He was wondering if some of the lesser used keys on his keyboard could somehow be remapped to use the characters that he uses more often. Fortunately, Word provides an easy way to take care of this need. Let's jump over to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and then we're going to go over here to Symbol, and then choose More Symbols. That displays the Symbol dialog box. Over on the Special Characters tab, you can see that there is a section mark here, and that there's a paragraph mark here. That's the Pilcrow character, the backwards P. It's called the paragraph mark in this dialog box. Notice that the dialog box includes a shortcut key column. That shows the shortcut key that you can use to put that character within your document. Well, there are no shortcut keys that are shown for the section mark or for the paragraph mark. I'm going to go ahead and click on the section mark, and then I'm going to choose Shortcut Key. That displays the Customize Keyboard dialog box. The insertion point should already be within the Press New Shortcut Key box, but if it's not, you can go ahead and click there. If there were any shortcuts already defined for the section mark, they would be shown in this area, just under this box. Now all I need to do is press the shortcut key that I want assigned to the section mark. Let's say that my lawyer friend doesn't use the curly braces that much. I cannot just press the brace key. I have to use a modifier key with it, such as the Alt key or the Control key. In this case, I'm going to press Alt and then the brace, the left brace. You can see that it shows that right within the Press New Shortcut Key box. Also, down below it, you can see that it's not assigned to any other purpose within Word. At this point, I can go ahead and click on Assign, and then I can click on Close, and that takes me back to the Special Characters tab of the Symbol dialog box. Notice, though, that my new shortcut is shown to the right of the section character within this dialog box. I'm going to go ahead and repeat these same steps, but this time for the paragraph symbol right here. I click on Shortcut Key. I make sure that the insertion point is within the Press New Shortcut Key box, and then I'm going to press Alt and the right brace. It's currently not assigned to anything else, and all I have to do is click on Assign and Close. And now you can see that both of my characters have new shortcut keys that are assigned to them. All I have to do is click on Close to dismiss that dialog box, and if I go ahead and press Alt plus the left brace, I get my section mark just as I wanted, and if I press Alt plus the right brace, I get my paragraph mark just like I wanted. This makes the keyboard and Word much easier to use for my lawyer friend. This ability to give shortcuts for special keys is very powerful and can increase your productivity. Go ahead and give it a try on your system. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.